What's up, my tricksters? How you guys doing today? So right now I'm gonna go to my parents' house and I'm going to prank one of my little brothers. So I have this air horn right here, and you know, I'm gonna try and record them either on this camera or on my phone, just to get the reactions. I'm gonna try and prank them, like I'll try and use this like however long I'm there for, just to try to get them off guard. Even prank my brothers, my mom always gets scared like real quick. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Oh, yeah. Ahora soca. I don't know the last time I actually had to put a freaking hamburger open. Called it. I called it. Story of my life. Story of mine too. Cry. Oh my god! The trickster tricked ya.